Hey guys, so I'm just back with another video. So I'm just going to be sharing with you today my top ways that you can earn passive income per day, up to $100 per day or more if you build up to it, if you do multiple ways to do it. So I'm going to start this off with simply having an exchange. So this could be Binance, this could be Coinbase, this could be any exchange at all. You just sign up to the exchanges and be a referral. As you can see, refer a friend. So you can just refer a friend and you get $10 free. You can also be an affiliate, which is the same thing. You just give them a link and you get money for them signing up. So if they sign up under you, you'll get like $10. So I will actually leave my link below if you guys do want to sign up. Anything that I mentioned in this video, the links will be below. But yeah, I'm just going to continue going on. I don't want to bore you guys. So that's my first method, simply becoming an affiliate and share links with your friends or family, or you could even go another way, create videos, or you could write blogs and share links in there, like reviews and all that sort of stuff. And then you can earn passive income from that. It can become passive income, as I've done with this one. I've done a couple of videos and now it's 100% passive income. I don't have to do anything. I can simply just leave it and I'll keep earning money over time. It compounds over time. Alright, so that's just my first way that I recommend anyone and everyone can do that. You all got friends and family that probably want to sign up and maybe join in on investing in the cryptocurrency, especially right now with everything going on. So the second way is actually simply downloading a browser that is 100% decentralized. And it's actually 3 times faster than Chrome itself. And the thing that makes this browser so unique is the fact that you get paid just to browse and do what you normally would do on the internet. And you would think that you wouldn't make much just simply browsing the internet. But I've seen people earn up to $7 to $10 per week, per week just searching the net and doing what they normally do. So that's just another way you guys can earn passive income. As you can see, I've earned $9.61 from simply browsing the internet. And that's not even been that long. I've only signed up and used this browser for a certain amount of time. Even for me just being I'll show you one example. For just sitting here, like on here right now, I'm earning money from just sitting here because this is actually an ad. That's just one way. That's just another simple way you can earn passive income. You can download this on Google, on your on the App Store, any App Store, and on your browser as well, any browser. And yeah, it's pretty much all done. You can easily download it and it'll go through everything and you will figure out pretty easily. But if you guys want a more in-depth guide, I will let me know below. The platform itself is pretty easy to set up. It only takes a few simple things to do, like just sign up, make sure you got the wallet. So I will actually share, there will be links below for this too. So if you guys want to use my link, I'd really appreciate it. And thanks for the support. Now, as you can see, I'll go over it a bit more. As you can see, it just blocks access. It's pretty much blocks access to like unwanted, like people stealing your data. Like they can't take your data. So ads as well, it blocks ads that are maybe that could be harmful to your computer, harmful to like your internet and stuff like that. And yeah, you can actually earn money as well from people sending you bats from like if you're a creator or something, people can send you bats. That's the currency that you get when you sign up and you get your wallet set up. That's what you'll get, and you can withdraw it for money and withdraw it into your ledger if you got that. There's just another simple way you can earn money. Now the next one is going to be a bit a little bit. People probably think I'm trying to promote gambling. I'm simply not promoting gambling. So this site is actually the first decentralized casino ever made, and it allows you to earn passive income with BAT tokens. So the BET tokens, the BET earn tokens. So the BET earn tokens actually allow you to earn passive income, and you can actually buy the BET tokens or BET earn tokens on exchange and send it into this, and then you have to stake it. So once you stake the actual tokens, you'll make passive income depending on how long you stake it for. So there's like it's like 1 to 5 years. You can stake it for 1 day to 5. So, and you can also withdraw. You can take out the stake as well, but you'll get penalized for taking it out early. But this is just another way you can earn 100% passive income. If anyone has any gambling problems or any issues in the past, I recommend 100% don't even sign up if you think you will end up betting. I'm not trying to promote betting or anything like that. If you are going to bet, I recommend to bet only a small amount and risk very little, as I don't know 100%. I know this is trustworthy and can be trustworthy, but I'm not 100% sure yet. but I recommend you to risk what you're willing to lose. Only risk what you're willing to lose, I mean. So if you do sign up, I will leave a link below for this as well. Get the BET tokens into there and stake them and earn passive income. It is very high, like it is like I see people with like not even that many tokens earning a decent amount of passive. So that's just another simple way. As you can see, free dividends for life. Yeah, many options to bet with, Property Fair, whatever it's called. So you can see all the bets here. As you can see, all the bets are shown here. I'm not trying to promote betting, but I will leave the link below. I will promote getting passive income and actually buying these tokens and storing in them and staking them, but only what you're willing to lose, as everything is a risk in cryptocurrency, and I will always mention. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was very quick. I just wanted to get to the point and share with you what I would do to earn passive income, to earn up to $100 per day. If you follow these steps that I've just shared with you and share your link, have a browser, you can earn passive income. I did forget to do one more. Sorry about that, guys. So there's another way that I was going to share. Alright, so this is actually another way you can earn passive income as well. As you can see, this platform allows you to refer people as well and earn money. So that's another way you can refer people to this platform as well and earn $50. But that's if they have to stake a certain amount of coin. Alright, so this is another way. You can stake coins to earn passive income. If you come onto here and go rewards or earn here. So if you go to earn, as you can see, I've already got a coin staked. It's Cardano, and I've got it staked for a 3-month contract for 4% per annum. That's like pretty low compared to some that you can get. There's some that are way high, but you have to also remember the coin goes up over time, so you earn more money. So this is another way you can do it, and it's actually been a solid coin for me lately. I've been investing in this coin for quite a long time. So as you can see, 16% per annum you can get for the Crypto.com app itself. So you can make up to 16% on the Crypto.com app itself. So this is actually the Crypto.com app. It's not, I think it's not fair. It's kind of new, but it's not new. It's been advertising a lot, and yeah, they definitely got their word out. Yeah, so I hope this helped you out. So as you can see, there's like many options for you to earn passive income. Now you can stake Crypto.com coin for 16% per year, and you can do the web browser, you can earn bet, you can stake that coin. There's just many ways you can do this. And that's not the only coin you can stake. There's multiple coins you can stake on the platform. I just showed you a couple. Any coin that's actually on the platform is stakeable on Crypto.com. I hope this video helped you out, guys, and I will leave the link below for anything that you guys want to, if you guys want to use my link. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and sorry about that mess up. See you guys later.